wanting to upgrade your Wix site in 2025, then here's how to transfer your Wix website into your Wix Studio. There are actually three ways on how to um, create or join Studio. First one is that you should go to your account. So if this is your Wix Studio dashboard, you should press on the Wix Studio, then check it out. Check the side profile which you are here. Check the Introducing Wix Studio, the new web creation platform for agencies and freelancers. You can press that link right there. Next is joining via platform. So if this is your Wix Studio right here from the Wix Studio homepage, then you should press Start Creating. First, go to wix.com/studio, click Start Creating, log in with your Wix credentials, and click Try Wix Studio to switch to the new platform. Lastly is the Wix invitation from your email. It is just simply accept the invitation that was sent via email of your Wix.